everybody, it's me again, The Real MLW, and we have another baking episode going on today. I really just have anxiety so bad today, and I don't know why, and I just am trying to find something to fill my time with. So I thought I'd go ahead and film this for you since I'm behind on a video anyways, which I apologize about, but there's been some stuff going on, like not feeling so great, blah blah blah, and anxiety. So that's the explanation for that. I do apologize, like I said, but yeah. I'm just gonna bake a little bit today. Thought you guys would want to join me, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we need the mixing bowl. The actual product we're using today is the Pillsbury Quick Bread and Muffin Mix for pumpkin. And we're gonna need water, some oil, and a couple of eggs, which we've got plenty of those. Whisk it to get any lumps out. And we already have our oven preheating to 375. I forgot to say that earlier. Add those in and mix. So let's go ahead and get the pan ready. And in the oven it goes. And that's going to be in there for 45 to 55 minutes. Let's set this at 50. And we'll just go ahead and wait for that bake. I'm going to warn you now, we're going to lose even more light because of stupid daylight savings time. It gets dark here at 4. And it's only 2:30, can you believe that? So yeah, I will be back once this is done baking and we will see what we have. Okay, let's check on it and give it a turn. It looks good. Okay, so we've only got 30 seconds left and we'll be done. But yeah, that's pretty much going to conclude this episode once everything's finished. I know it's quick, just like the baking process, but I wanted to put something out there and try and see if I could get rid of any of my anxiety, and I actually did, thank God. I don't know, it's just anxiety is such a B word, it's just so annoying I can't even put it into words. But yeah, let's see how this looks. It's about to go off. Let me get a mitten. So let's see what we've done. A little bit toasty. Okay. Very clean. So yeah, there you go. Pumpkin bread. Sounds pretty good to me. I'm pretty excited to dig into this. And yeah. Alrighty, so that's the wrap up for this video. Wouldn't call myself a Martha Stewart at this point, but I'm trying. So here you guys go. I hope you guys had a fun time with me. I love you so much. Bye.